In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR code in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable QR code placed right on your page with just a couple of simple moves. First, make sure you have the image file of your QR code ready to go. If you created your QR code with an online generator or received it from a designer, download it to your computer before you open Wix Studio. For best results, choose a high-quality format like PNG or SVG. PNG is great for most uses, especially if it has a transparent background. SVG keeps lines razor sharp at any size, which can be helpful if you think you'll resize it later. Aim for a clear, high-resolution file so it scans instantly. Blurry or low-contrast images can be harder for phones to read. Save the file with a clear name so you can spot it quickly. With the file downloaded, open your site in Wix Studio and head to the page where you want the QR code to appear. Now comes the easiest part. Drag and drop the QR code image directly onto your site canvas. As soon as you drop it in, Wix Studio automatically uploads the file to your media and places it on the page for you. You'll see it appear right away, and from there, you can move it around to get the exact placement you like. Once it's on the canvas, position the QR code where it makes the most sense, often near a call to action or in a footer area where visitors expect helpful links. Use the alignment guides to center it or snap it neatly alongside other elements. If you need to resize it, drag from a corner to keep the proportions consistent. Try not to stretch it out of shape, since distortion can affect scan reliability. Make sure there's enough contrast between the QR code and the background. Dark code on a light background is easiest to scan. If the page background is busy, consider placing the QR code over a subtle, solid shape so it stands out. That's it. Once you've dragged and dropped the image, you've successfully added your QR code to Wix Studio. Give it a quick test with your phone to confirm it scans cleanly and points where you expect. If you want it to be more visible, adjust its size or placement until it feels balanced with the rest of your design. You're all set. Your QR code is on the page, ready for your visitors to use.